Which part are you in the Philippines?
Nearby Manila.
Okay.
You're from
How's
where?
Christmas? How's Christmas in Philippines now?
It's good, I think. Though I'm not really celebrating Christmas. I'm a Christian, but I don't really celebrate.
All
You have
right.
you have a lot of followers. Wow. You're from where?
Me?
Yeah.
Tagalog lang ako.
I hate you. Really?
Oo nga.
Mukha kang ano, ibang lahi. I hate you.
Santa Rosa lang ako.
Kuya, Laguna. Ang dami mong followers. Paano yan?
Konti lang, wala pa yan sa ano.
Wow. Kala ko you're somewhere, Pakistan. Tama?
Tama.
Tama. Pag tinatanong ka nila, you're half-half, tama? Half-half ka?
Yeah, I'm half.
Half Pakistani?
Half Shih Tzu, half Bulldog.
I hate you. Yung totoo. Ang hirap mo naman kausap, man.